Igbo people will dominate Ukwuani people, says some people from Ukwuani land. So many Ukwuani people believe that if Anioma state is being actualized and zoned to the southeast, that Ukwuani people's dialect will go into extinction, that Ukwuani people will be dominated by Igbo people, that anything Ukwuani will go into extinction. This is what so many Ukwuani people believe, but it's all lies. Look at what this Ukwuani person said. He said that this is what we are trying to avoid in Ukwuani by ensuring that Igbo dominance won't enclave us in 50 to 100 years to come. How this thing when you talk now make sense? If to say Ukwuani people na Isoko speaking people, we could say yes, he is right. If to say Ukwuani people na Yoruba speaking people, na Ijo speaking people, na Ishekiri speaking people, na Bini speaking people, we go say he is right. But the language of Ukwuani people is Igbo language. What is come in Ukwuani land is Bia. What is the supreme being called? Chukwu. What is land called? Ane. What is water called? Miri. What is human being called? Mado. Everything about we Ukwuani people is Igbo. So why are some set of Ukwuani people saying that we Ukwuani people are not Igbo people? Southeast is trying to dominate us. They will take our language. They will take everything Ukwuani away from us. How some of these people take the reason? In Ukwuani land, our culture, tradition, way of life, everything is Igbo. There is no difference between we Ukwuani people and our brothers in the southeast. So many people in Ukwuani land don't know the difference between language and dialect. As far as we are Bia speaking people, Ukwuani language is a dialect of Bia speaking people. Eka language is a dialect of Bia speaking people. The name that holds every Bia speaking people together in this country called Nigeria is Igbo. We Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Someone from Eka land that have not been to Ukwuani land before, if Ukwuani people speak Ukwuani, that person will hear and understand. If Ika people speak, we Ukwuani people will hear and understand. When we Anioma people speak our dialects, our brothers in the southeast understand. One Ukwuani person go just come out, they talk, say, we don't want to join the southeast. If we join southeast, they will dominate us. This set of Ukwuani people are very lazy. This set of Ukwuani people, they talk this kind of nonsense. They're lazy where they have poor mindsets. Now why Ukwuani land not they grow? Because so many of these people will not know themselves. Now they occupy political power. All they know is their feelings, their emotion. They don't know that most of the decision they take is the reason why Ukwuani land is backward. You don't want to associate with person where 12 and they speak the same language. What we Ukwuani people speak is Igbo language. And this set of Ukwuani people are saying, we don't want to join Igbo people. They will dominate us. They will subdue us. Can you imagine? The Igbos in the southeast, they don't subdue each other. They don't marginalize each other. As those states stay different, so for southeast now, Anambra state, Ebonyi state, Enugu state, Imo state, Abia state. Abia state not get power over Anambra state. Anambra state not get power over Enugu state. Enugu state not get power over Ebonyi state. Ebonyi state not get power over Imo state, and so on. If we Anioma people get Anioma state, no southeast state gets power over we Anioma people. Even for this Anioma way we did so, Ika people not get power over we Ukwuani people. We Ukwuani people not get power over Ika people. We Ukwuani people will not get power over Oshimiri and Anyocha people. For River State, Ikwere people not get power over Ekpeye people. Oba people not get power over Ikwere people. Ndone people not get power over Ndoki people. And so on. Igbo people don't dominate people. Igbo people don't take over people's land. All those things where this our Ukwuani brothers they talk so. Nah lie. I don't meet one Ukwuani elder face to face for moto. If they drive the moto. Me and I can't they talk. I can't ask him, okay. Can you na-ekwu okwu Anioma? Ịchọna ka anyị bụ nde Ukwuani solu ụmụnwere in southeast nọdị. Ịchọna ka adị in southeast kwee zonu Anioma state to southeast. The man said it's good, but it's because our southeast brothers will dominate us. They are after our group and all that. I can't start to give this man reasons. Say all those things na lie. I can't ask him. Ukwuani land get oil past southeast. He say no. I can't tell and say, share southeast people get crude oil. He say yes. I can't tell and say, is Anambra state marginalizing Imo state? He say no. Say those ones not they happen. I can't tell and say, the lands where Igbo people get for Ukwuani land, she na buy they buy am. He say yes. I can't tell him, you don't ever see Ukwuani people they complain say Igbo people won't take their land. He say no. Because the man tell me say, he dey hear say Igbo people go come your land, dominate. I can't ask him that dominate where they talk so. He don't get any history for Ukwuani land say Igbo people for southeast invade Ukwuani communities. He say no. You don't ever hear say Igbo people come Ukwuani land, pursue our Okpaluku for throne, take over the throne. He say no. I can't ask him. Igbo people for southeast, they don't come Ukwuani land, they invade Ukwuani land, they capture people. He say no. I can't tell him all these things when they talk, they accuse our brothers for southeast. You don't confirm say any of them are true. Just tell me true, sir. Have you ever confirmed that all those things that people are accusing Igbo people of, have you ever confirmed any of them to be true? The man say no. I can't tell him say this is the problem that we are having in Ukwuani land, because so many of our people are believing in all those lies and propaganda that enemies of Igbo nation are propagating. The man say yes, so this is why he talks so not true. This is the reason why Ukwuani people are lacking behind, because we are believing all those lies. Now the man can't take him out to the talk so. The man believe all those things where those people they talk. He can't they get to mind whether to join southeast or not. Now he still take him out to talk say nah lie, because he did not experience all those things that people are accusing the southeast of. How you gonna talk say southeast people want to take over Ukwuani land? Since we Ukwuani people they on our own, they deny our Igbo identity. They talk say we are just Ukwuani people. What have we benefited? Ukwuani land is richer than Ika land. It's richer than Oshimiri and Anyocha land. Money where Ukwuani land they produce, Oshimiri and Anyocha land with Ika all together not fit produce am. Yet Ukwuani land is the poorest and most backward in Anioma region. Instead of so many of these our brothers in Ukwuani land to come out and support Senator Ned Nwoko, let's actualize Anioma state and make sure that Anioma state is being zoned to the southeast. They online they talk nonsense. Southeast people they will dominate us. Our language will go into extinction. You dey speak Igbo language, you dey talk say your language go into extinction. How many dialects for southeast don't go into extinction? So if we join southeast, as our southeast brothers come to enter Ukwuani land, we go come stop to the speak Ukwuani, come start to the speak Afikpo dialect abi. We go come stop to the speak Ukwuani, come start to the speak Aguleri dialect abi. We will come stop to the speak Ukwuani, come start to the speak Olo dialects. They don't care about what we Ukwuani people will benefit if we join the southeast. No be that one that they talk. They claim to love Ukwuani, yet they don't love Ukwuani. You love Ukwuani land. How many of you don't use your social media handle? They drag Ukwuani politicians, telling them why is it that you people have been in this your position, yet Ukwuani land is not developing. No good project will not carry come Ukwuani land. Ukwuani is just empty. None of them feed one. All they know is going to Senator Ned Nwoko's page, writing nonsense in the comment section. Don't take us to the southeast. We are not Igbo people. We rather die in the south than to join the southeast. If I call them Ozwai now, they go say you two they call people Ozwai for your video. If person do like Mumu, call them Mumu. Any Anioma person where they fight Senator Ned say we don't want to join the southeast because southeast people will dominate us. They will take over our land. They will do this. They will do that. That person Ozwai not get sense. It not get sense. If we Anioma people, Ukwuani, Oshimiri, and Anyocha people only see ourselves as brothers and white people because we are in the same state and because we understand each other's dialect, why is it that we don't see ourselves as brothers with those in the southeast? Ukwuani and Ika don't suddenly become brothers because they dey the same state. Fake love. All those Oshimiri and Yocha, Ukwuani and Ika people, where they talk say they be brothers because they dey the same state and because they hear each other, but they not be brothers with Southeast people. All those things are fake love. They are not really love themselves. Even for Ukwuani land, we not like ourselves. Because if to say we like ourselves, we go to help ourselves to grow. Ukwuani land, you go see big man. If you just get money, you no go want help any other Ukwuani person. You go just maybe say, no only in name that they here for that community. Ika people will be saying, we Ika people, we love ourselves. We don't want to join the Southeast. Southeast people, they only know how to spread propaganda, to divide people. They want to conquer we Ika people. This, that. Fake love, they don't like themselves. When Oba of Benin suspended the Ibanke kings, come out Ibanke kings for throne, thought say they're not going to be king again. Say him won't put king for Ibanke people. How many king for Ika land? How many will be for Ika land? Come out. Tell Oba of Benin say you not get power over Ibanke people. How many king for Ika land come out? Only Ika went to say there be Ika organization where they oversee the affairs of Ika people. They don't fit talk anything. Weak people. None of them talk up till today. Now we Igbo unification movement stand up for Ibanke people. They speak up for Ibanke people. Where Ika kings, none was found. Where different organizations where they Ika land, none was found. And they are busy ranting online saying, hey, we Ika people, we want people, fake love. People not like themselves, but they only have the mouth to come out and be telling you, Igbos don't love themselves. Igbo people not like themselves. You don't say Igbo people where they start to not like themselves. You where be Ika person, una not like on herself. Ukwuani people gonna tell you, Igbo people don't love themselves. Now why they want to expand enter Ukwuani land? You Ukwuani people, you love yourself, una not they develop. You love yourself, una they backward. Southeast Igbos love themselves. That's why they are developing. They go carry young boy, put for their shop, train am. The boy go grow. On the main market, they produce more millionaires past the entire university and polytechnic within Nigeria. Go and verify. Millionaires where area markets for Aba, they produce. The whole university for Nigeria not fit producer. That is Obi-Wan. All those things there for Anioma land. No, and you have the guts to come out online and be saying Southeast people don't love themselves. That's why they want to expand it to Anioma land. You don't have sense. You don't get sense. People don't get sense. They don't get sense. I know they like rubbish. I hate nonsense. Now why this thing they vex me where? My region nobody not develop. Instead of us to embrace greatness, instead of us to embrace riches. Some people they cry and say they're not Igbo people. Say they will say they're Igbo people. Ukwuani people be Igbo people. Some of us they say we not Igbo people. Poverty mindset. Ukwuani love themselves and they be poorest. If we love ourselves, we go poor. How many wealthy people for this Nigeria come from Ukwuani land? How many wealthy people for Ukwuani that they hear their name for federal level? Now we go to talk something. You go see person will not get sense, but they come. They talk say Southeast people they want to enclave us. They want to take over us. Now. The mindset of cowardice, laziness, not be that thing. If we are never people join Southeast, Ukwuani land will develop, Ukwuani land will benefit the most. We need development in Ukwuani land. You want to remain in South. Tell me one good thing where South don't do for Ukwuani people. All the tribes in the South, they are not united, they are not one people. Instead of we Ukwuani people to join our Southeast brothers, make we coexist, make we grow. Because we are Southeast people, we they speak the same language, we have the same culture and tradition, everything about us is the same. Some Ukwuani people say no, say they want to remain for South. You want to remain for South with Benin people. Are you the same people with Benin people? No. You want to remain for South with Ijaw people. Are you the same people with Ijaw people? No. You want to remain for South with Yoruba Soko people. Are you the same people with Yoruba Soko people? No. You want to remain for South with Ijaw people. All those Calabari people, Efik people, you want day South with them. What are you doing there with them? Are you one people with them? No, you say you one day there. In order to separate yourself from your Southeast brothers, Ego, Ozaya the Homa. It's good to have sense. We are not Igbo people. We are not of Igbo ancestry. Our ancestors came from Benin. What's the meaning of your ancestors? They're going to come for you, Chima or Dimegu. They come for you Igbo names. So many of our people in Ukwuani don't know their history. Any Ukwuani person who know Ukwuani history enter bone will tell you that Ukwuani people are indigenous in Idu Kingdom. Idu Kingdom history is not complete without Igbo people. Idu is an Igbo name. Igodo is an Igbo name. Idumu is an Igbo name. Igbo people are indigenous in Idu Kingdom. Before this Yoruba people called Benin, invaded the Igbo land from Ile-Ife, their ancestral home. And you go see Ukwuani person, they come and they talk say, we are not Igbo people, we are not Igbo people. What are we? We speak Igbo language, everything about us is Igbo. Any of our brother for Southeast where we say he never step in leg for Ukwuani land before. Any day when just enter Ukwuani land, if Ukwuani people they speak, he go they hear, he go they understand everything. Nine somebody they hear they talk say Southeast will enclave us, they will overpower us, they will overshadow us if we join Southeast. This is why I am here to bust the lies of this set of Ukwuani people that don't know their left to right. Imagine say this one get children now, you go just sit down him innocent children, they tell them nonsense. You are Southeast people, you are not brothers, so stay clear from them. Oh, they pass that same failure mindset they give your children. You want to make Ukwuani people day alone. How many Ukwuani people day? Separating yourself from your brothers. It's good to have sense. It's good to have sense. We Ukwuani people are Igbo people. We are not separate from the Southeast. We are not separate from the Igbo race. State creation will never determine who we are and where we belong. Because of say we dey Delta State, we dey South South, we dey Niger Delta. Not mean say we not be Igbo people. Delta State is not our tribe. Delta State not be tribe. Delta State is not an ethnicity. South South not be tribe, not be ethnicity. Before Nigeria was created, we Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. The government of Nigeria cannot determine my identity. They cannot determine who I am. Even if we are called Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. Even if Ika people are called Ika people, they are Igbo people. Ikwere people are Igbo people. So no matter your denial, you remain Igbo. You dey fear make we Ukwuani people not join our Southeast brothers. Which development you don't bring come Ukwuani land? This one where they talk this thing now. In village, you not even get third road. In village, you not get steady lights. In village, not get federal and state hospital. In village, not get federal and state police. Nothing there in village. You know one join Southeast. People don't want reason with their brain. Say, what are we going to benefit if we unite with our Southeast brothers? We speak the same language. We understand each other. What are we going to benefit? If non-Igbo where get sense, see all this kind of comment, you could just say this person not get sense. You don't have sense. If not Fulani people now, anywhere they speak Fulani, now their people they be. Bini people, anywhere they speak Bini, now Bini people they be. Bini people go do everything possible to unite with their people. Hausa people, anywhere they say Hausa are the indigenous language, they go do everything to unite because they be one people. Now Igbo one day different. Ukwuani where they speak Igbo, go talk to them not be Igbo people, say their language now Ukwuani. People that don't know the difference between language and dialects. People that don't know brotherly love. You don't know your brother. Say person where they understand each other and our brother. You don't know. We will be here teaching our people in Anioma that are suffering from identity crisis. We will always teach them to make them understand that we Anioma people are one people with the Southeast. The only people for this Nigeria where truly love Ukwuani people now our Igbo brothers for Southeast. The only people where truly love Ika people now our Igbo brothers for Southeast. The only people who truly love Oshina and Anocha people now our Igbo brothers for Southeast. As I did so, the only people who truly love our Southeast brothers now we Anioma people. No other tribe for Nigeria will love Ukwuani people like our Southeast brothers. The love of other tribes for Ukwuani people they are fake love. It's fake love. DNA blood speaks louder than voice. Anything where they happen for Ukwuani land today, our Southeast brothers will be concerned. Anything that happen for Southeast, our Anioma brothers, we Ukwuani, Ushina, the Ika people will understand because we are brothers with them. Now only those Anioma people will say that they suffer from identity crisis. I don't care on the word there because they don't know who their brother be and then feel less concerned. Identity crisis is a dangerous weapon fashioned against the brain. Person when not know himself, they fight himself. So many South Igbo don't they talk say they not be Igbo people, they not be Igbo people. South Igbos not go physically produce the president of Nigeria because they're Igbo people. So be wise. Ukwuani people wake up. Let's support Senator Ned Nwoko and make sure that Anioma State is being actualized and zoned to the Southeast for us to coexist with our brothers and develop Ukwuani land. Igbo Bofu, Ishiagwale.